Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween with the best Halloween paper treat bags available. Our featured product is the Iconikal Halloween Cookie Sleeves 120 count, designed with spooky house and jack-o'-lantern designs. The Iconikal Halloween Cookie Sleeves are the perfect choice for all your Halloween gifting needs. With two captivating designs printed on both sides, these sleeves are sure to set the Halloween mood for anyone who receives them. The pack includes 120 sleeves, ensuring you have an ample supply for gifting cookies, baked goodies, treats, and more. Each sleeve measures 4 inches wide by 6.5 inches long, offering a well-proportioned space to house your delicious treats while being easy to handle and distribute. Crafted from paper, these sleeves are not only visually appealing but also sturdy and durable. Despite their delicate appearance, they offer reliable utility while keeping your goodies safe. The fantastic imagery of spooky houses, flying bats, and jack-o'-lantern adorned grounds against a backdrop of rising moons or setting suns aptitude the Halloween spirit in every sleeve. These Halloween cookie sleeves are incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of purposes. Whether you're gifting favors, cookies, baked goods, or treats, these sleeves transform every moment into an unforgettable experience. The high-quality design and construction make them perfect for Halloween parties, trick-or-treating, or even as gifts for friends and family. In conclusion, the Iconikal Halloween Cookie Sleeves 120 count are the best Halloween paper treat bags available in the market. With captivating designs, exceptional quality, and versatile use, these sleeves are a must-have for anyone looking to add an extra touch of Halloween spirit to their celebrations. Don't miss out on this fantastic product that will surely make your Halloween gifting a memorable experience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.